guys, this is Mamta. Welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I'm gonna show you guys how I do this hairstyle. It's very easy. You can do it by yourself. You don't have to go somewhere. So if you guys wanna know how I do this hairstyle, then please keep on watching. So यस्तो काइयो लिने टेल भएको काइयो and then comb the hair like this. मेरो कपाल चाहिँ एकदमै पातलो छ, so I need a little bit of volume. तपाईहरुको कपाल चाहिँ बाक्लो छ भने you don't really need to do this. मेरो चाहिँ पातलो छ, so I need to do it. So first मेरो आइरन चाहिँ मैले तातो गरिसकेको छु, यो क्ल्याम्प हो. अनि यसलाई चाहिँ मैले यो जरा जरामा स्पेशल चाहिँ मैले जरा जरामा गर्छु. यस्तो गरे भने चाहिँ हल्का भोल्युम दिन्छ. हल्का मात्रै गर्छु, त्यही भएर मैले धेरै पार्टिसन गर्दिन. तपाईहरुको कपाल चाहिँ अझै पातलो छ भने चाहिँ पार्टिसन गरेर राम्रोसँग गर्दा हुन्छ. यो अगाडिको पार्टमा चाहिँ धेरै नगर्ने, किनभने यस्तो कुलुङ कुलुङ देख्छ, राम्रो देख्दैन. अगाडिको पार्टमा चाहिँ सिधै राम्रो देख्छ. त्यही भएर चाहिँ म धेरै गर्दिन अगाडिको पार्टमा. यस्तो गरे भने चाहिँ कपाल बनाउन, जुरो बनाउन चाहिँ एकदमै सजिलो हुन्छ. So now make a middle partition right here. Like this. Okay. I look like both. So now if you want to make a puff here, you can always make that. So you can tuck your hair and then so make a small partition right here and back comb like this. So I'm not using any spray here because मलाई चाहिँ स्प्रेहरु धेरै युज गरेर चाहिँ मेरो हेयर एकदमै ड्यामेज हुन्छ. So if you guys are going party or something like that, you really need a good volume puff. So you can use hairspray at that time. But then for me, I'm okay with this. I'll do just a little bit. Back and like this, and the other side also. So in this point, if you guys are wearing mangtika, you can always stock it here. So cost dinner is the but then I am not wearing any mangtika, so I'm going to make it silk as much as possible. Just like this. This, okay, and So thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys like this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Take care.